In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best NutriBullet blenders in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. The NutriBullet RXN17-1001 blender has a 1700 watt motor. It comes with a 30-ounce cup and a 1-liter pitcher that makes it convenient to make single servings, as well as larger servings for the whole family. The RXN17-1001 has a heating cycle to blend hot soups and sauces. It also has hands-free smart technology with an automatic start-stop feature for the right blend. We found it challenging to blend anything that wasn't pretty much liquefied. The problem is that when the blender first starts, it's too powerful. There's no way to slow it down to blend thicker consistency items effectively. It also doesn't help that a lot of liquid is needed for things to blend appropriately. After many uses, we took the unit apart, including the removable plastic parts and springs, and found a ton of mold and another black buildup inside the housing unit. All in all, we think this is one of the best NutriBullet blender of the year. Number 4. High-end juicers don't come cheap. This NutriBullet's Juicer Pro is a much more affordable alternative to other juicers we've tested. Juicing felt easy and quick. While the yields weren't as impressive as the masticating models that we've tested, this juicer outperformed the other centrifugal models in the testing. Whether it was spinach, or kale and apple, or grapefruit, the cups of juice it made were free of pulp, smooth, and delicious. The plunger is dual-sized, which is useful, as it allows you to push down both large and small ingredients with ease. This one is also easy to clean. You can easily lift up the pulp basin and clean the components either in the sink or in the dishwasher, as they're dishwasher safe. The included brush is also very useful for getting rid of the residual pulp that's stuck on the sieve. It's loud, but you probably won't be dealing with the noise for too long, as its powerful motor can get the work done within seconds, much faster than my Vitamix style blender. Like many juicers, this NutriBullet is bulky. Before purchasing one for yourself, you may want to make sure you have enough cabinet storage space or that you're willing to dedicate a permanent spot for a juicer on your countertop. Number 3. People who regularly prepare large batches of meals and juice will love the NutriBullet ZNBF30500Z blender. This blender has a large 64-oz pitch that accommodates immense quantities of ingredients. The blender has a 1200 watts motor, providing adequate power for mixing and crushing a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. This blender has a dark gray color scheme that complements a wide variety of kitchen design schemes. An included single-serve cup enables preparing and storing shakes easily. However, it lacks preset programs. This NutriBullet ZNBF30500Z blender has a vented lid cap for safe operation. It comes with a tamper for steering, making it a good choice for thick vegetables and nut recipes. The device has an easy twist extractor blade that cleans easily in a dishwasher. The blender uses a cyclonic system to draw ingredients towards the blade for fast operation. A pulse control function and 3-speed motor enable customization. The jar is graduated, simplifying measuring out water. Number 2. Enthusiasts who want to prepare moderate amounts of superfoods will be pleased with the features of the NutriBullet Pro blender. The blender has a moderately sized pitcher that enables preparing an adequate supply of meals for immediate consumption and storage. Thanks to a powerful 900 watts motor, this NutriBullet blender provides adequate power for handling thick ingredients. The blender has a stainless steel finish that adds elegance to any space. However, it lacks custom speeds and presets. The pitcher on this model is removable and can be used for travel or storage. This NutriBullet Pro blender has a simplistic one-touch design that's easy to operate. Its stainless steel nutrient extraction blades are ideal for fruits, vegetables, and even ice. It is quite fast and will appeal to people who want to make shakes and smoothies fast. The blade is removable and dishwasher safe, enabling hassle-free cleaning. Number 1. Featuring a 600 watts motor, the NutriBullet NBR060124 blender delivers incredible pulverizing power. It has powerful blades with great nutrient extraction abilities, so it's a good choice for purees, smoothies, and juice. This blender uses cyclonic action to draw out ingredients, crushing them fast and effectively. It has a pleasant gray metal base, which adds a touch of refinement to any kitchen. However, the pitcher of this device is too small and is not ideal for preparing large batches. This NutriBullet NBR060124 blender includes an easy-to-clean plastic pitcher. The pitcher has a tight lid, so it can be used as a smoothie cup for on-the-go convenience. It is recommended for frozen fruits and ice. The blades are removable and dishwasher safe, just like the cup and lid. We love the sturdy non-slip base of this blender, which offers stability during blending. This device is compact, so it can be transported easily. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.